In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock Marketplace on Facebook. Start by opening Facebook on your phone or computer. Before anything else, make sure your account is actually eligible for Marketplace. Facebook typically shows Marketplace to people who are at least 18 years old, have an active, genuine-looking account, and don't have major violations. If you don't meet those basics, Marketplace may stay hidden until your account builds more trust. If you believe you qualify but can't access it, check whether your account is restricted. Open the menu, go to Help and Support, then open Support Inbox or Account Status. Look for any Marketplace-related notices or policy flags. This page tells you if Facebook has limited your access and why. If you do see a restriction, the most important action is to request a review. Open Marketplace, tap Request Review, and submit a short, clear appeal. Keep it polite and specific. For example, "Hi Facebook team. I believe my Marketplace access was restricted by mistake. I follow all guidelines and only post legitimate items. I kindly request a review. Thank you." That's enough to get your case looked at without over-explaining. After you submit, be patient. Reviews usually take 24 to 72 hours, but it can be longer depending on volume and the details of your case. Avoid sending multiple appeals back to back. Instead, monitor your notifications and email for updates. While you wait or after you get access back, improve your account behavior to prevent future flags. Avoid spammy posting. Use real photos and honest, complete descriptions. Don't paste the same message to lots of buyers at once. Post gradually instead of dumping many listings in a short window. These small habits help your profile look trustworthy. If your access issues might be tied to unusual activity, turn off any VPN you're using. Avoid rapid logins across multiple devices, and secure your account by changing your password. Facebook may lock features when activity seems suspicious, and stabilizing your login behavior can help. Technical glitches happen too. Update the Facebook app to the latest version. Try switching between mobile and desktop, and clear your browser cache if you're on a computer. If your account is new and Marketplace doesn't appear yet, focus on building trust. Add a few real friends, post normally, and engage with content by liking and commenting. Give it a few days for the system to recognize consistent, authentic activity. Finally, if you're permanently blocked, options are limited. You can still sell through a Facebook page, or if permitted by Facebook's policies in your region, create a new account and carefully follow all guidelines from the start to avoid the same issues.